নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, শিক্ষা অসম চেনেলটোলৈ তোমালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডেৰী ছেকেণ্ড ইয়েৰৰ ইংলিছৰ পাঠ্যপুথি ফ্লেমিঙৰ কিতাপখনৰ লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং পাঠটোৰ পৰৱৰ্তী প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ আগবঢ়াম। Question number 1. Who is Mukesh? Answer. Mukesh is the son of a poor Bengal maker of Firozabad. Question number 2. Where does Mukesh live? Answer. Mukesh lives in a slum area of Firozabad with a stinking lane full of garbage. Question number 3. What is Mukesh's dream? Answer. Mukesh's dream is to drive a car and to be a motor mechanic. Question number 4. Who is Savita? Answer. Savita is a young girl of a Bengal maker dressed in drab pink, soldering pieces of glass. Question number 5. Why is Mukesh proud to take the author to his home? Answer. Mukesh is proud to take the author to his home because his home is rebuilt. Question number 6. Who is in charge of Mukesh's household? Answer. The wife of Mukesh's elder brother is in charge of Mukesh's household. Question number 7. What are the two different worlds in Firozabad? Answer. There are two different worlds of the Bengal makers in Firozabad. One is the world of poverty and the other is the world of exploitation by the sahukars, middlemen, police, lawyers, officers and politicians. Question number 8. Why is Mukesh's dream is a mirage? Answer. Mukesh's dream is to be a mechanic, but his garage is long away from his home. He has to walk there. So the author thinks that his dream is a mirage. Question number 9. What is the significance of bangles in an Indian society? Answer. In an Indian society, the bangle is a symbol of an Indian woman's suhag, auspiciousness in marriage. An Indian woman wears bangles till she becomes a widow. Question number 10. Why does not Mukesh ever dream of flying a plane? Answer. Mukesh does not ever dream of flying a plane because few airplanes fly over Firozabad. Every day he sees hurtling down the streets of his town. Question number 11. What kinds of bangles are made in Firozabad? Answer. Different kinds of bangles: sunny golds, pedigreen, royal blue, purple, pink and every color born out of the 7 colors of the rainbow are made in Firozabad. Question number 12. Why does Mukesh's grandmother believe that a God-given lineage can never be broken? Answer. Mukesh's grandmother is a fatalist like other Bengal makers. She believes that God has given them the karam of Bengal making and nobody can break it. Question number 13. Why do the children in Firozabad often lose their eyesight even before they become adults? Answer. Children in Firozabad do Bengal making sitting in a dark room. Their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside. So they often lose their eyesight even before they become adults. Sometimes while polishing bangles, dust makes them blind. Question number 14. Describe the miserable plight of the bangle makers in Firozabad. Or little has moved with time. Discuss the statement. Answer. Firozabad is famous for bangle making industry. It provides with bangles to women of our country. Here, bangle makers are doing a hazardous for generation after generation. They live in slums like animals. Even they cannot send their children to school. About 20,000 children do bangle making with their parents, sitting in a dark room. Their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than to the light outside, so they often lose their eyesight even before they become adults. The bangle makers are not organized for the fear of police. They have two different worlds, the worlds of poverty and the world of exploitation. They have no rays of hope. Their spring is lost.
ইমানতে লষ্ট স্প্ৰিং পাঠটোৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ শেষ হৈছে। ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি নেক্সট পাঠটোৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ আলোচনা কৰিম। আজিলৈ ইমানেই, ধন্যবাদ।